They get the assembly line ready for action. First, the sheet metal is pressed into various body parts of the XUV 500. These parts are transported to the body shop, where they're put together both manually and with robots, doing precision welding. The fully formed body then moves on to the paint shop, and then painted both manually and by robots. The painted body is sent to the trim chassis and finish shop, where everything from its tires and transmission to its upholstery, cockpit to windshield wipers are fitted. After final testing, the car is ready to drive. But the team is still a long way from mass-producing road warriors.
So it's not that somebody styles and then manufacturing guy says I can't make it. So there is a lot of simulation process we do.
Extensive computer simulations help the engineering team tackle the unusual contours of the XUV 500. The team ensures that it will fit together perfectly.
Have to make sure that all the panels are coming together properly. All the components are where they are supposed to be. They give this wholesome look of perfection.
A flawless design is not easy to achieve. It requires the highest technology to support it.
We have used a lot of computer-aided simulation tools to ensure that everything is simulated very early in the program, and we have less surprises when we go downstream into the program.
Surprises lead to faults, something that the team ill afford. They can't change the cheetah-inspired design. Kripa and her team must figure out how to transform sheet metal into a streamlined beast.
Form, there are very clear lines, there are a particular quality about the stance that's derived from the cheetah. So you have the pounce on the fenders, you have the haunch over the rear wheel arch, you have the muscle cut line on the belly to reduce the mass on the metal mass on the body side. All these are the connects to the cheetah.
The cheetah-inspired design speaks to the customer's most important theme: feel the power. Reflects both style and function.
When the customer sits inside the vehicle, the customer should transform. The customer should feel the power.
So when you say feel the power, this theme is seen by every system team.
For every department working on the XUV 500, feel the power becomes their new mantra.
The XUV 500, we took care with every detail. The arrow in the tail lamp, which is pointing down to a very unique and impressive shoulder line. The shoulder line itself is the story of the car in the terms of the stance that it has, which relates to the cheetah.
The XUV design is checked and rechecked virtually in Chennai. The whole team is fired up. They've tasted blood, and now they're ready for the kill. The XUV team has reached one of the most dramatic moments of the project: building the prototype. They assemble the prototype part by part. The dream is getting closer, but it's still so far away.
Many different parts didn't fit well perfectly. It was almost like an ugly duckling.
None of the young XUV team has ever built a car like this before. The prototype has to look as good as it drives. First impressions are everything.